Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. It is currently New Year's Eve, about 1:30 in the afternoon. I've just popped into the workshop to do a couple of bits and pieces, finish off the last of the paperwork and stuff for the year. And I thought I'd put a quick video out to remind everyone that today is the last day that you can order an amplifier or a pedal at the current 2025 prices. As of tomorrow, the web store will go offline. Everything will be updated in the back end, and then it will come back online probably on the 2nd or the 3rd of January with the new 2026 prices. The bad news is that most of the prices are going up across the board. Some of them are staying the same, but most of them are going up. But as I do every year, if you place your order today on the 31st of December, you'll be able to lock in the 2025 price, even if your amplifier will be shipped in 2026. So if you were thinking about ordering an amplifier, do it today, save yourself a little bit of money, and I will catch you all in the new year.